Father, in the name of Jesus, we come to you at this time, lifting up Haven and Aaron to you, bringing their earthly love to teach them to know the loving way that they may be like this. As their love grows in your image, grant them the grace, wisdom, and compassion to show their love to others. Father, and I ask you just to wrap your arms around them and just hold them. Put your grace, wisdom, and protection on them from now and forever. Having spoken these words of testimony and commitment as to your love and for the other, one for the other, I hereby announce to you, husband and wife, what God has joined together in love, let no man attempt to break or destroy. Haven, you may change your Facebook page now. Haven, you may kiss your bride.